Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna to speak about this watch. I have just taken a random topic for my practice, so I will be speaking anything about watch. Maybe I would be explaining, or um I would be telling about watch or correlating watch with life. So let's start. Hey guys, so as you all can see that it's a red color gorgeous watch of Barbie, and we can see that it's looking so nice. So like the way it's is red color, and red color is also my favorite. So as we can see in this watch, there are total 3 needles. One is indicating second, another one is indicating minute, and the last one is indicating hours. So the time which passes very sooner is in second, and the time which passes with a little bit less sooner, like the needle, sorry, not the time, but the needle which passes like little bit late, which is minutes, and the needle which passes the most late is the hours needle. So hours needle passes the most late, and rest of the 2 needles are sooner, so we can relate it with our years. So like the way in year we have 12 months, like the way in this watch we have 12 hours. And as week passes sooner than months, like the way this seconds needle passes sooner than this minute needle, and 1 year passes slowly and gradually, like the way this 1 hour also passes, 1 hour needle also passes slowly and gradually. And we can see that, but this watch maybe can stop or may not, but this needle never stop. That's another thing, this watch is not working, but this needle never ever stop. And even if it stops, we give battery to this needle and it's again starts working, like the way when we eat food and we again start working. So if we are taking care of watch properly, so this watch will keep moving ahead. Like the way if we will keep care of ourselves, we will also be keep moving and keep moving. Maybe sometime we can be ill, as this time this watch is. So like the way this watch is ill, we might be also ill, but after eating, exercising, getting right surgery, we can again keep moving. What do I mean by surgery is exercise and eating healthy food. So when we will give battery to this watch, these needles will move, and it will move with full efficiency. This is how our life and our body works. Also, as you guys can see, this is a Barbie doll is here watching, like the way God is watching all of us, like what we are doing, and according to that we get our result. So this Barbie is watching, and here also it's Barbie, and here also it's Barbie. So we have Barbie everywhere, like the way we have God everywhere in the world, and they are watching us from everywhere. As you can see guys, Barbie is watching from everywhere. And now the back side we have only red color, like the way in the sky we have so many clouds, only clouds and clouds. And when we on it, it's started lighting, like the way when the sky starts raining. As we can see, we have this bottom as well, and when we have something not working in this watch, we can from here fix it. Like the way if something is not working properly, we can think this is like our mind. Like we can think an idea and we can work on it properly, like the way we can use it and it will get an idea and it will start working properly. Watch is the most precious thing. It is not only the precious, but it is also one of the precious thing because it tells us about time. And as you all know, guys, time is very important. When it passes, it doesn't come back. We must have listened everybody saying that time is very important. If it will pass, it will not come back. You will regret. Don't waste your time is the most common dialogue, as you must have heard several times. So now let's think about what it exactly. So when time passes, it doesn't come back, and if we are not working on time, we are not performing our work at time, we are not doing everything on time, that would be a big problem. Suppose we are having exam and we don't know what the time is, how we would able to reach. Everybody would go to exam center at different time. That wouldn't be a problem because nobody would like to give exam, that's another thing. But like if some people are want to eat food and you have to go on a birthday party, you have to go on a marriage anniversary of somebody, so how will you reach at time? If you don't have watch, you don't know something. If watch hasn't discovered, then it might be a problem. It can be a big problem because as we are habitual, earlier people live without watch, but now we are habitual, and if they suppose watch is not working in the world, nobody watch is working, neither in mobile, not in anywhere, so that will leads to a very big problem which you all can't imagine, guys, which we all can't imagine even. That might lead to several problems. How could somebody reach hospital in time? How people would go for office? How people would perform even daily tasks at home? The time when we arise, the time when we sleep, that won't be specific. So we won't be knowing what exactly the time we have to arise, what exactly the time we had to sleep, the time of eating. We can't know that, how to go, where to go, and what time which work we have to do. That will lead to a big problem. We won't be knowing even date, and nothing would be like that. Even if we are sleeping for 24 hours, we can't imagine next day has started. We would be thinking, okay, this is same date only. We can't know even about the date. Keep date will keep getting passes, and we would be thinking, okay, night and day is coming and going, that's it. We won't be knowing something properly. So that's why it's extremely important. And in morning, sunlight is very important, and if we don't have watch, we don't know the timing. Maybe it's 12 o'clock of sunlight and we are thinking, okay, I have arrived so sooner, it's 4 o'clock of sunlight. Or maybe we have arrived at evening and we are thinking, okay, it's morning, and we started our day, we started brushing. So that's why watch is very important and it's precious thing. Now again we can start the lighting, and it is a different ways of lighting. Okay, this is a same color is going on. Now I can start it with, now it's moving so fast, like the way earth also rotates. This lighting, sometimes it's rotating very fast, different colors, sometimes it's changing slowly and gradually, like the way earths rotate in a rotatory motion. Okay, in ellipse shape. So sometime earth rotates in such a way and sometime earth rotate like this. So earth rotates in both directions and it's keep rotating, not sometime, it's always rotate. So this watch is mainly connected with as well as or earth also, and this is the most important thing. Not only it is the important, but it is very important. Like the way water is important, food is important, shelter is important, This is also important. After that, the thing which we required for living after water, food, air, shelter is this watch, guys. This is a very important thing. Without timing, we can't use our day properly. Without timing, might be people not sleeping, arising whole 24 hours and sleeping after 24 hours, and it might be challenging. Nobody would be able to work properly. We won't be able to do anything, can not go anywhere. If you want to go any foreign or you want to go different city, you have to meet somebody, you have given a timing. How would you go, how would you reach? And how, even if watch has been banned for some days, so how would you give even timing to somebody, like you have to come at this time? How will you go somewhere? And if you are going somebody's home, so how would you know what is the timing? Maybe you are going in evening, you are thinking it's morning, or you are going in morning, you are thinking it's evening. And after arising at night, you are feeling like okay, it's day, and you saw the weather and you are thinking no, it's not. Then you realized, or maybe it's 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in afternoon, but when you arised, there rainfall is occurring and you thought it's night and you slept again. So there are so many things which can occur, and it's really very challenging thing. Or you are going to shop and the shop timing is different and you are going at different timing. Definitely every shopkeeper can't be arise at whole 24 hours. They may have different employees, but not every shopkeeper can have. The people who are having a small shop can't have employee for whole 24 hour who they are working self. If so, that's why we can't go to purchase something, we can't go anywhere. So time and this watch is very important. So thanks to the person who has discovered this timing and the watch, and obviously it's amazing. And I was about to speak 15 minutes, but now I don't have much words about this watch. So bye bye.